I will give one incident. This is all of you who have assembled here, all of you. Remember this incident. 1979. SLV-3 satellite launch vehicle. I was the project director, mission director. My mission is to put the satellite in the orbit. Thousands of people worked nearly 10 years. I reached the Sriharikota, and it's in the launch pad. Countdown was going on. T-minus 4 minutes, T-minus 5 minutes, T-minus 1 minute, T-minus 40 seconds. Computer put a hold, don't launch it. Computer says don't launch it. I am the mission director, I have to take a decision. Everything is on. Behind me there are 6 experts. They saw the computer database coming in and screen, and they see the pictures in the screen. They said there's a problem. The problem is there's a leakage in the system, in the control system. But we did the calculation, no problem. We have got sufficient fuel and oxidation for control system is controlled the rocket to the required altitude, and we can go ahead. Now, of course, my expert's view, but I took the decision. Problems mine. Finally, I took a decision. I bypassed the computer and launched the system. Okay, launched. Follow went. First stage worked in the 4-stage rocket, and second stage got manned. It went to spin. Instead of putting the satellite in the orbit, it put in the Bay of Bengal. 1979, it was a failure. It was a failure. First time I experienced my failure. How do you manage the failure? Success I can manage. So at that time, a great man, a great leader, also Satish Dhawan. He comes to me, I'm very tired working nearly for months. He wakes me up, come, let us go for a press conference. Press was meeting there, like this number of people, world press, with photo, this and that, all the gadgets they are there. I was highly frightened, I will be the culprit. Because I'm the project director, mission director. What Satish Dhawan said, Chairman of Indian Space Research Organization said, dear friends, we have failed today. This is the first time, and all the success, all the failure, I want to support my technologists and scientists and staff so that next year they succeed. So he took the whole thing. And then media asked me to put the Bay of Bengal so many crores. Cited a lot of criticism. He received the criticism. He assured them in the year we will succeed with our teams. Very good. Next year, here only interesting happened. Next year, July 18th, 1980, when he succeeded, Professor Dhawan said, you go and conduct the press conference. Do you follow what this means? It means when the failure occurred, the leader took it up. When the success came, he used his team. That's the first time.